At jobs.fairshare.tech, we are always extremely happy. Like we get a kick out of making sure that companies get the candidate that they want, and also candidate gets a job. So that gives us like immense pleasure. So what that means is we don't want to miss out on any opportunity that is available in the market, and when companies contact us for like by sharing their job description and all. So like in case of jobs.fairshare.tech, like we have got a very good system where we can send email to all our approved users, like whenever there is a new job opportunity. So we can automatically mail it to them, and also like sometimes we take time to send like a mail to them using mail to all like our approved users in fair jobs. But sometimes what happens is people don't submit their resume to jobs.fairshare.tech, but instead they send us by email, and various ways which we are not integrated yet into jobs.fairshare.tech. So in that case, what we do is that we use something called as a mail merge. This is a very general facility which is available, free of cost, and you can use a simple Google Sheet to do that. So we have done it in our like own specific ways. So what we do is that like here we have all the list of recipient email addresses. Like for example, in this case, we have a job opening for ASP.NET developers. So we mention all this like in HTML format, in a plain text format, then from whom like this email is going to go as. So all that is like listed in the Google Sheet. Now only thing that the person who's going to finally send, like in this case Netra, going to send is needs to do is that first of all she needs to change the status of the very first email ID from, remove that OK status from there, then keep the maximum emails per batch to one, right? So this is to make sure that I get that test email. So that's all, there is no other purpose of that. She can very easily change this to say Netra at fairshare.tech. Yeah. Then after that, one thing that she should do is that click on bulk email, then don't click on clear canvas. Don't do that, because this is for sending a completely new set of email campaign, right? So what Netra will do is she will click on email quota before sending. So because Gmail provides only a certain number of emails per day. So here it is safe. Now it is only sending, like the quota is 1455. I hardly do this. And of course, just to make sure all these emails are legit, in the sense that these people are the ones who have sent email to fairshare.tech and they are interested in job. So we are not going to do any spam, basically, right? You have to be very very sure about that. That doesn't help at all in the medium to long term. Yeah. So what we are going to do is that click on bulk email. This is done. Now I'm going to click on send bulk email. So when I click on that, this script will run automatically. Since the maximum emails per batch is one, it will send only one email, and then it will be done very quickly, right? After that, what she will do is she will change this max emails per batch to whatever the number of emails like are there in this script. So let's say 100, like in this sheet. I'm going to click on 100, and then after that, what she's supposed to do is that let this be okay actually for now, right? Because this email has already gone. This was just a test email. So in this case, you don't have to delete this okay status. Then click on, and you okay, by the way, like when you're sending for the first time, if it is not there, that's fine too. Then click on bulk email, and then simply click on send bulk email. So when she does that, email will be sent out. So that's all. This is quite easy and very very useful to send bulk email to your email list without paying to companies that are specifically getting paid for sending emails, because Google is already providing you this facility. Thank you.